All right, so today we're talking about Skilexa. Now, this is a massive free traffic from an untapped source. Now, this is a new cloud-based app, and what it does is it puts yours and your clients' content in front of millions of listeners in a matter of minutes. It uses short audio snippets called flash briefings and puts them onto what Gary Vaynerchuk calls the best opportunity to get new traffic and leads today, and that's the Amazon Alexa platform. Now, Alexa is Amazon's best-selling product with over 40 million active users with no signs of slowing down. Yet there are only 5,000 flash briefings created. Now, that's just one flash briefing for every 8,000 Alexa owners. So, as other social media platforms are getting more crowded, Alexa stands desperate for more users to create and upload their content. There's a pretty big catch, though. Not everyone can get onto Amazon Alexa. You can't create and send flash briefings to Amazon Alexa unless you're a skilled coder at this time. That's how difficult it is. But this new technology has been put into a brand new cloud-based app that anyone can use to build an audience using Alexa fast. All right, so I'm talking about Skilexa. It's a if I didn't say it already before, it's a groundbreaking cloud app that helps anyone quickly and easily drive traffic and sales on autopilot using Amazon Alexa. It works in 4 easy steps. You contact, create, schedule, and profit. So you choose a niche and reach new customers or update current ones with promotions or news. You start uploading content or use built-in content creation tools and curate text or audio from previous blog posts or podcasts. And then you schedule briefings to send 30 days in the future. You enjoy new leads and even charge clients monthly to update their Alexa channel. So here are the product benefits. Flash briefing in just a few clicks. You get commercial rights to sell to clients. You get to connect your podcast to syndicate content to your Alexa channel. You get built-in audio recorder. You get to schedule briefings in advance and save tons of time. And you can use the content generator to pull content from your blog. All right, take a look at this demo so you can see right inside Skilexa.
Alright guys, so here we are inside the Skilexa dashboard. So first off, you have 3 basically creation options here to choose from: flash briefing skills, podcast skills, and custom interaction skills. I'm going to guide you through this basically sort of backwards. So in the upper right corner you have your options here for profile, changing password, knowledge base, video tutorials, which I do suggest you check out. There are several here because this is probably a new territory for many of you, and integrations, which I will switch to here. So you have your file hosting integration with Amazon S3, which is a storage service from Amazon if you are not familiar with it. And you have your autoresponder integrations. All major autoresponders are included. I would like to see a custom HTML code here to upload and connect any autoresponder, but all major ones are here. And you have user integration, which will be useful later on because you will have to upload some images when you're creating your flash briefing skills or custom interaction skills. So the flash briefing skills, let's start with that one first. You click here and it is separated into two steps. First you enter your skill name, default language, update frequency. So this is how often the feed has new content and how often users can check for new content. So it can be hourly, daily, or weekly. The genre. So this is sort of like a category. So usually I guess it will be a business for us. And the subcategory here we can go maybe education or business and finance. I'm going to go with education and give it a name. So I've chosen to go with email marketing tips after the daily frequency. And here at the bottom we have keywords, which is basically like an SEO for Alexa. So this is anything that people might type in regarding your subject. So if it is email marketing tips, they might type in email marketing, captivating headlines, copywriting. If it's social media tips, basically you can enter any social media platform here, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, anything that people might type in to find your content. Then you have a skill image and the feed image over here. Make sure they are appropriately sized up. And then a little option here, do you want Alexa to say from your skill name or in your skill email? So in my case, this will be from email marketing skills, and then the the flash briefing would start. Is the skill name directed specifically for children under age of 13? No. Does this skill contain advertising? I suggest you put yes here if you have any ambition to put any advertising in the future. Then you have your privacy policy URL and terms URL. I just put Google in here for the sake of the review. One sentence description. So of course this is self-explanatory. Then a more detailed description. This is a custom error message. This is in case Alexa fails to render your content, and they will receive this message. Then you save a skill, after which you will be redirected to enter your first feed. So it will ask for title, the content. The content type allows you to enter the text or audio. You can enter your text here, read more URL, and schedule settings. So you can turn this option on. It will help you schedule your content into a specific time zone. And of course, this brings up the... When you're all finished, you will get sort of this little block here that says in development, and you have to upload it to Amazon and basically wait for approval. If you want to, you can of course edit it and add a new feed. So I have a feed named, what is the name? It's just captivating headlines, content type text, and you can import the feed or add a new feed at any time. So the podcast option over here allows you to basically connect your RSS feed from your podcast if you already have one, for example, for iTunes. And that's basically it. You don't have to worry about anything. Just connect it with your existing podcast and you're good to go. The custom interaction is a cool feature because it allows for basically a communication between you and Alexa, where you can, for example, say you have a social media marketing podcast, and basically the user, what they can do, they can simply say, for example, LinkedIn or Instagram, and the Alexa will skip to that part of the flash briefing, or in this case, custom skill. So if you're talking about, let's say, daily tips for social media marketing, they can simply say, Pinterest, and it will skip to that basically trigger keyword. So this will be your invocation name. So invocation name does not need to be anything unique across Alexa. So many people will use social media, of course, for example, as a name. And users will say the skill invocation name to begin an interaction with a particular custom interaction skill. It also allows you to add your keywords, and the next step is basically the same as in flash briefings. Under My Tools, you have a voice recorder, which is a simple voice recorder where you can record it and then play it back and upload it to your audio library. You have your Amazon S3, which will guide you to your setting up your Amazon S3 storage. And the content generator is a cool tool which allows you to basically copy and paste any website URL, and it will grab the text content from that URL, for example, your WordPress blog. So this is a brand new, not new, but it is now accessible much easier than before, a brand new traffic income line. And the software allows you to easily create content for Alexa platform and upload it without any, coding skills or anything too techy at all.
Here's a couple of review notes on Skilexa. I found lots of pros with this product. It's an easy-to-use software that brings your content in front of a fresh, untapped traffic source, and you don't see that every day. So it has built-in content generator that can pull text from any URL, your blog, for example. Scheduling options saves you lots of time. You get custom interaction using trigger words. Listeners can skip ahead to the content that interests them the most, which makes it really nice because then they're not wasting their time having to filter through. This is the great part of this technology, being able to kind of fast forward to what's really important. A commercial license is included also in the front end. Cons, it'd be nice to connect any autoresponder via custom HTML code, but all the major autoresponders are already integrated for you, so I'm not seeing that as a really huge deal. So here's the offer. Opening Thursday, September 19th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, ending Tuesday, September 24th at 11:59. The early bird pricing is discounts are going to be super short. You want to make sure you get in quickly. Rising on the first day alone, front-end price starts at $29. one time. What about the upsells? There are some upsells. The OTO1, that's the first upsell you'll be able to create. This is the platinum version of Skilexa. You'll be able to create more campaigns and more briefings. It includes the ability to schedule 100 days in advance instead of only 30 days. And you get advanced text-to-speech feature, done for you drag and drop landing page templates to capture flash briefing listeners, and a whole lot more that takes my breath away. So OTO2 is the agency version at $99. You can add clients to your own login and create briefings for them, charge any amount that you'd like for access, and manage multiple Amazon developer channels if the client wishes. All right, so your OTO3 is going to be your option of either 500 or 100 white label version accounts, 129 to 197. The range is because if you pick the 50 set version, you get one price. If you get 100 accounts, you get another price. So it's a rare opportunity. It allows you to sell Skilexa 1.0 services with your agency accounts with your own logo and domain, start your own profitable, fully branded software business, full updates and bug fixes, including access to use Skilexa support. And then the OTO4 is PlayPix. This is a special offer, really good buy on this for only $19. Grab this popular video editor. It's drag and drop creator. It lets you create studio quality marketing videos in just minutes with a brand new technology and no learning curve needed. So here's where you go when you're ready to take action. If you want to get Skilexa, that's http://goodwillbuilder.us/SkilexASP. OTO1 is right there for you. I'm just going to let you go ahead and copy those down. OTO1, OTO2, OTO3 for 50 licenses or for 100 licenses, and OTO4. That's where you go to take action. Bonuses you can see on my bonus page. I'm just going to scroll through these without saying anything about them so you can kind of see what you're in for. Bonus number 1, Alexa tricks and Easter eggs. 2 is responsive video gallery. Just pause this video when you want to read more about them. Number 3 is reseller rights to ultimate background image collection. Bonus number 4 is fastest Google cache with agency rights. Bonus 5 is agency rights to local Facebook reviewer. Bonus 6 is agency rights to viral quiz builder. Wow. And there are some OTO bonuses available as well. Now I throw my special bonus in. This is where I will voice over your custom promo text for Skilexa. I have to limit this to the first 20 buyers because it's so valuable. It does take my time, and I'm happy to do it for my first 20 buyers who are really committed. Traffic Fresh with reseller rights is also another OTO bonus for you. And Vidneos coming in here for you. Social Suite Pro with developer license. Social Directory Pro with developer license. Resell rights to 1,500 premium stock video collection. Oh my heavens, it just goes on and on, guys. Social Metrics Tracker. Resell rights to sales presentation graphics pack. I mean, really, we're giving you everything you're ever going to need. Resell rights to WP Video Focus. And here again are those links to take action now. Your front end at goodwillbuilder.us/SkilexASP, and the OTOs are in there for you as well. Now, when you're ready to access your bonuses, we generally load those into, log into JVZoo, find the product, and then you go into your, you search for the product, and then if you have any trouble finding them, they're inside JVZoo. So you log into JVZoo, find your product, go into bonuses, you'll see them in there, go into the details of the product. If you have any problems, just contact us at support@resource.zendesk.com. I want to thank you again for taking a look here at Skilexa, a really fantastic product that we found to be really valuable and something new that you haven't seen yet.